How to use OBS Studio to record screen with audio for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm diving into the world of OBS Studio to show you how to record your screen and audio seamlessly. Whether you have created tutorials, gameplay videos or anything in between, this beginner-friendly guide will help you get started. So let's jump right in. First thing first, open up OBS Studio. Once you're in, head over to the sources section at the bottom of the screen. Click on the plus icon to add a new source and then select display capture. Then hit OK. Now you can adjust your setting as needed. Once you're satisfied, click OK again. Next up, we need to capture audio. Click on the plus icon one more time, but this time choose audio input capture. Hit OK and then select your input device. For me, I'm using the microphone, so I'll select that option and hit OK. Now let's fine tune our settings. Click on settings in the bottom right corner, then head over to the output. Here you can adjust your video bitrate, audio bitrate and encoder settings. Don't forget to set your recording path and format to your liking. Once everything is set up, click OK. Now, all that's left is to hit start recording and you're good to go. Your screen and audio will be recorded seamlessly. It is that easy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.